Hi guys, if you are in the early stage of starting a business or launching an online store, you will want to stick around because today we will be showing you step by step how you can get a free trial from Shopify to get started. Just here down to the description below and you will find a link for a free 3-day trial. When that trial period is up, you can enjoy 3 additional months of Shopify services for just $1 each. It's the best deal out there right now, so don't miss out. Head down to Shopify, type in your email, or click Start Free Trial. Once you have done all that, you have to answer some brief question about any experiences you might have with building a website. Not to worry if you do not, as Shopify make the process simple for you and you will get the hang of it really fast. For these already selling product online or in person, you can click on the option to migrate your site to Shopify. But if you are just getting started, you can let them know and then click next. Now, think about where you want your product to be sold. If you are thinking strictly online, check this option, which will set up your account for creating your own e-commerce website. If you have got an existing website or blog, Shopify can help you add a buy button. If you are looking to sell on platform like eBay, Amazon or Google, you should check the online marketplace option. Shopify can integrate with them, allowing you to add your store across a different platform. If you are not quite sure about all of this yet, this that okay, you can always revisit this option later on in the Shopify dashboard. On the flip side, if you are running a brick and mortar store, a pop-up market or something similar, select that box. If you are planning to signing your store with Facebook and Instagram shops or other social media channel, make sure to check that option too. Shopify will then add all the necessary integration to your account so you can work with them seamlessly. Once that done, hide the next button again. Now consider the product you plan to offer. You have several choice here. These could be a product you personally buy or make and ship yourself, dropship product, print on demand item, or digital product and services. If you are unsure about what to sell, you can always do some research or explore Shopify app integration like a AppSynastic or AutoDS, which help you find product to sell. I have personally solid product I have made before, but recently I have been trying my hand at dropshipping. If you are curious about dropshipping and want to learn more, make sure to subscribe to the channel. We regularly post new video on dropshipping to help you along. After setting up your store, Shopify will generate your new account and you will see the Shopify dashboard. From here, you can click on select a plan based on your data. Shopify will suggest a plan tailored to your specific need. For example, if you are focusing on direct face-to-face sales and retail, plan might work for you as it including a point or sale option. However, if you are starting a new e-commerce store, I suggest going for the basic plan as it cover all the essential for building or expanding your online store. In my case, I choose the basic plan. Once you make your selection, you will be taken to the payment page where you will enter your payment information. You can choose to pay annually or monthly, where the rates vary, varying slightly depending on your choice. After adding your payment detail, all that left is to subscribe. Once completed, you will be taken back to Shopify.